Hey everyone, it's Malika again. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today I want to share with you guys what I picked up recently from M Cosmetics. So if you guys interested in finding out what I got from them, then please keep on watching. For those who are not familiar with M Cosmetics, this is the company that owned by Michelle Phan. I do believe she is her own boss and her own CEO of this company. Otherwise, if she's not, please educate me. But I did pick up quite a few things from that. And I honestly never pick up merch products before, but this time I make an exception. So the first one that I got is this super cute sweater. And it's already on a hanger, but it's just a black sweater. It's super soft. And it has this like, what's it called, like her logo right here. Super adorable. And I tried this on. It's so nice and soft and fuzzy and warm, so I'm excited for that. And I could have gotten with a large, but I went ahead with a medium, and it's fit just fine. It's fit a little bit more fitted than what I want, but it's still fine. And the next product that I picked up is this beautiful makeup case right here. It's pretty big actually, and when I first saw this, like when I first unboxed the box itself, I'm like, holy cow, this is big. I wasn't expecting this to be this big, and this is really like a really nice size. And the material itself is like this neoprene material, I want to call it, and it has this cute M Cosmetic logo right in the front. And then I put the rest of my stuff inside this bag, the rest of the makeup that I actually did picked up. So let me take those out and show you guys what inside the bag looks like. So inside looks just like this. Pretty nice and plain. You have a bunch of open space right here. You can put whatever you want, and then back here you have slots right here with a fishnet right here. It's such a nice and sturdy bag. I'm actually really excited to use this as a whenever I travel, so I'll keep you guys posted. One thing I want to say about that case is that it's pink, so it will get dirty very easily. Knowing me, I probably put my grubby hands and I will stain the bag, but that's okay. Alright, the rest of the products are all makeup. So the first one I got is the M Cosmetic Fine Liner Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Deep Taupe. And I had opened this to look at this, and it's really cool. It has such a fine tip, and it is a dual-ended product. So one side you get the eyebrow pencil, and the other side you get a spoolie. So that's that. And then this one right here is their brand new Morning Dew Crystal Lip Gloss. And this is the clear lip gloss. And let me open it up so I can show you guys. It's just a beautiful clear gloss. And I did try this on my lips the other day, and it feels so good. I'm going to try it a little bit more on my lips. Now I stained the brush because I have lip color on. That's alright. How is it? Is my lip juicy yet? So that is the gloss that I really wanted to try, because I have not tried any of her gloss, and that was the first gloss. It feels really nice. It has a little bit of a stickiness, but not sticky, you know. It just has a tiny bit. Alright, so the next one is the Holiday Collection Kit. This is called the Holy Grails. And I believe this comes in two-tone. So I picked up the brighter tone. And here I get a fine tip liner, I believe. Yeah, this is a brush tip liner. So this is a brush tip liquid eyeliner in the color black. And then I also got another one of the gloss. This is the True Gloss in the color Tender Rose. And then I got the Infinite Lip Cloud in the color Muted Mauve. And there's a cute pin right here that came with it. And then last but not least, the very famous Color Drop Syrup Blush. And this is in the color Pink Nectar. And I do want to show you guys this because it's so pretty. I tried it on the other day, and I really like it so far. And guys, I will try to do a follow-up review video to this haul, so thumbs up this video if you want to see that. But here's what the color drop looks like. Super adorable. And let me do a drop of that right here. So I can show you guys real quick what it looks like. I just did a little bit right here. I'm not sure if my camera picked up, but it looks so pretty. Can you tell or no? It's kind of hard. My lighting is so off. It's like wash it out, but it looks super natural. And I did try this on my bare cheek without any makeup, and it looks so super pretty. It's just looked really great with like just bare skin. So that is good. And then this is another kit. This is the Magical Moments kit, and it comes in another makeup bag. And in here I get another one of the True Gloss, but this time it's in the color Magic Hour. And then I got the Infinite Lip Cloud in the color Magic Hour also. And the last product in that kit is the Illustrative eyeliner, the brush tip eyeliner one. So it's the same brush tip, so you get two of, I got two of this at least because I bought two kits. So yeah, I have enough eyeliner to last me for a while. Sorry if I sound very stuffy. I'm just in recovering mode right now. That is all I picked up from M Cosmetic, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savant, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.